Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to change GPS location on Android. Okay, open Play Store and download Location Changer Fake GPS. I already downloaded. Okay, go to and check your location. Current location will be on. And go to GPS Changer app. Open it. And show map. Set up to change location. This will be your current location. Now you have to change your GPS location. Okay, zoom out and select any random city. I selected okay, type yes. Okay, I selected this city, Burewala, red marked. Double tap to attach the new location. This is how to change GPS location on Android. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.